I need you to keep this between us, because if too many people figure this out, it won't work anymore. See, the smartest people I know, the ones quietly stacking money while everyone else is bragging, all do the same thing. And if you saw it from the outside, you'd probably think they were complete idiots. I'm talking about moves that make zero sense until you see the result, like quitting a stable job with no backup plan, like turning down an easy paycheck to work for free, like deleting every single social media app while building a brand. From the outside, it looks reckless, stupid, self-sabotaging, but on the inside, it's genius. Here's the pattern. They intentionally make decisions that 99% of people are too scared to make. They take the risk everyone avoids. They step away from the safe path even when it feels like stepping off a cliff, because they know something the rest don't. The safe path is the most dangerous trap in the long run. Okay, so I don't have a dramatic friend success story to show you here, so let me be real. What I do have is something I've watched happen over and over online. I've seen complete nobodies on the internet quit jobs, vanish from social media, and take massive risks that made zero sense at the time. People laughed, doubted them, called them delusional, and then, months later, they came back with something built. A business, a brand, a skill set worth real money. That's what stupid looks like, until it works. Maybe your stupid thing is moving to a new city without knowing anyone. Maybe it's starting a side hustle your friends don't understand. Maybe it's investing the little money you have into a skill instead of saving for a weekend trip. People will doubt you, laugh at you, maybe even pity you. And that's exactly when you know you're onto something, because nobody laughs at a move they understand. So, what's your stupid thing going to be? Because here's the point. If nobody ever calls you stupid, you're probably living life way too safe. And the safest place to be is often where your dreams go to die. So go ahead, make the move they'll laugh at. Later, they'll call it genius. If you want to know how to survive long enough for your stupid move to pay off, watch this next.